Work-life balance is a lie, and you're going to kill yourself trying to achieve it. Hi everybody, I'm Yvonne with AskEvie.com, and I am a business efficiency consultant for digital entrepreneurs. And today I want to talk about that big lie that's going around for way too long, that work-life balance is what we should be striving for. Now, before I dive deeper into this whole work-life balance thing and why I think it's a complete lie and you shouldn't care about it, let me know in the comment section, do you believe in the idea of work-life balance, or have you found another way to be happy? Now, what do I mean by that? Just look around nature, look around anything that is happening around you. There is no real such thing as balance. Everything happens in season. Heck, even here in San Diego, where the weather is always perfect, we do have somewhat of seasons. And if you go farther into the land, you're really gonna have 4 seasons. Your life is going through seasons. From a newborn to a teen to a grown-up to a senior, everything goes through different stages. And in those different seasons, your life is going to be focused around something different. Now, what does that mean when I say work-life balance is a lie when it comes to your business? Your business is going through seasons just as nature, just as life. It will go through the inception phase where you are coming up with the idea. It will then go into a growth phase where you're getting more clear about what your business stands for, what you are doing. It will go through a scaling phase. It will go through a handoff phase. You might be selling your business. You might be handing it off. You might just be retiring. All of this happens in season, and those are the biggest seasons. It also happens in smaller seasons throughout your day, throughout your week, throughout months. And that is why trying to accomplish work-life balance is going to kill you. In this work of trying to find this balance, this holy grail of everything being perfect, we are beating ourselves up when we are happy to spend more time in our business because we are in a scaling phase, because we are launching something new, because it fuels our energy and we are excited about this. Heck, if you're an entrepreneur, just ask one of your 9-to-5ers and tell them, yeah, I don't want to have a drink tonight. I just want to work on my business. They're going to look at you like, what the hell are you talking about? 9 to 5. I'm done with working. Let's go have some drinks. What they don't understand is that your business is fueling you, just like they're being fueled by working with a big team or for a big company. In our specific case of being a digital entrepreneur, we get energy out of a new project, out of launching something. And then there might be a season, or there will be a season, let's be honest, where you're gonna have to focus more on your private life, where you might be pregnant, going into maternity leave. You're gonna work less in your business, but you're gonna spend more time in your personal life. So there's never really anything that balances itself out. Sometimes business is higher, sometimes personal life is higher. And to realize that and be okay with there not being work-life balance means we are not beating ourselves up if we are putting more time into our work than into our personal life. Heck, I'm not dating right now, don't have a boyfriend, enjoy single life, because I am scaling my business right now. I am working on getting the business where I want it to be, and I'm okay with that. There is no beating myself up. There is no anxiety about, I have to have a boyfriend, and I have that peace of mind. Now, the moment I got the business to a point where I want it to be, things are going to change again. I'm going to put more emphasis on my personal life, and I'm going to be just as fine working less in my business. So please go take it easy, drop the idea of work-life balance, and just look at it as a season. Now that we understand everything happens in season, I want to show you how you can take this idea of business and life is happening in seasons and apply this to your ClickUp setup so you can work in those seasons, so you are ready to adjust no matter what season you are in. So let's head on over to my ClickUp and I will show you a couple of tricks that will help you set up your ClickUp ClickUp to be able to keep up with your seasons. Tip number 1, you probably have seen this in one of my past videos already, Brainpower. Brainpower to me is a big, and probably the biggest help when going through your seasons. Because when you're going through your seasons and you might be a little bit more tired because you're just coming out of a launch, or you have this full packed energy of let's get something done, this Brainpower custom field will allow you to map out your tasks throughout the day as well as throughout the week to adjust based on your energy level and get the most out of your day, no matter which season you are in. And this Brainpower field is a simple drop-down field where we added either way low, medium, high, and I also have camera ready in there just to be sure when I have to take a shower and make this all happen. This will allow you to easily sort your tasks by low brain power needed, meaning simple admin tasks, it's data collection, it's something you don't have to think about. Medium takes a little bit more of your brain power, might even drain you a little bit. And then we have high. High means you really have to think about what you are doing. You really have to focus and do this right. There is no screwing it up. It really has to be spot on. And then camera ready, self-explanatory. Now, just like we are using Brainpower, you can do another custom drop-down field that goes by energy level, meaning tasks that energize you, that make you excited, that fill you up and really give you a lot of energy. Then we have tasks that are like, yeah, okay, fine, I'll do it. It doesn't fuel my energy, but it also doesn't drain my energy. Last but not least, energy draining tasks. You know those tasks that you are like, oh my God, I don't want to do that. It's just sucking the life out of you. Those right there. Balancing those tasks out throughout your day from neutral to, yeah, I'll just do that in the lunch break, all cool, to after one of those high energy sucking tasks, go add a task that fuels you back up. Now suddenly you are not going to be completely drained at the end of the day. You're gonna be level because you followed up a energy fueling task with a time sucking and energy sucking task to just go into a neutral task to then do again an energy fueling task, and you are leveling out your personal energy and your excitement about doing your work. Tip number 2, one big thing that I've been preaching pretty much since I started this channel is time estimates. When you're looking in here, literally it's everywhere. Pull in those time estimates and really estimate the time for your tasks. Not only will it allow you to plan out your day and know exactly how much time you're going to need for each task, but it will also get you to the point to be able to say, you know what, I always estimated that time wrong. We need to adjust that. And now suddenly you don't constantly have this, holy crap, the day is over and I'm still not done, because you are using the time estimate and planning your day. Now with all of that, here's my last and tip number 3. When planning your day, and I do have a specific video that explains exactly what I'm talking about here. When planning your day, go set up a calendar view. And I actually would do that in the everything view. So everything funnels in. In the everything view, set up your calendar, pull in your calendars. For this specific case, I want my daily routines to show up right here in ClickUp. Now, what does that do? Because right now it's all purple. It's kind of like overwhelming. When we switch over to, let's just go in the week view. That should show it the best way. I have daily routines because my business evolves around my life and not my life around my business. Meaning, start with your life first. Start with the morning routine, which in my case is reading, meditation, journaling in the morning, then walking Bailey, doing some workout, then getting ready for my day, as well as my lunch break, walking Bailey again, and then walking Bailey at night again, and cutting things off and slowing down. Building your business around your life already means you are taking care of yourself too. You are not just getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning and stressing out, oh my God, I have to do all of this. This setup right here easily allows you to pull in tasks and schedule tasks because you've used the time estimate and lay out your week right in here. Now, last but not least, be gracious with yourself. Just because I have this daily routine going on and I'm planning on doing workout in the morning, guess what? I haven't worked out in a week. It happens. This is here to remind us, to get us back on track. Be gracious with yourself, give yourself a break, and just try again tomorrow. That is how you will reach at least balance within the season of your business that's happening right now. Now go pop in the comments and let me know, what business season are you in right now? Are you in the inception phase? Are you in the scaling phase? Are you in the everything is automated and I don't have to touch anything anymore, I'm on the beach vacationing phase? Let me know in the comment section. I want to hear from you.